Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining in. And today I will give you a brief demo about MasterStroke Premium Package, how you can use and benefit, and what next we are launching. So this is the slide which will give you an idea what we have offering right now in the paid section. We have MSO Basic, for which most of you are the member right now. It is 4,000 plus GST. And online sales presenter, investment proposal, suitability profiler, marketing banner, video, pre-made presentations, trail calculators, and famous quotes. You get all these in the basic version. We have now launched MF Research, which is not in the basic version, but in the premium section. I will give you a brief demo about this. In the future, we are also launching a lot of useful calculators, which you already have in basic. We will launch 5-6 more new calculators, which will be in the premium section. And I will give you a brief demo in Excel about them also, what we are launching. And in future, we intend also to give you a couple of features of agenda and meeting summary, and keeping a record of your client meetings on the software, on the CRM package. All will be in the mutual fund premium section. I will come to this slide later, how to upgrade your current basic member to premium. But before that, let me give you a brief demo. If anybody has used MF Research till now, or the basic features of MF Research as a free member, please write yes in the chat box. So let me see how many of you have seen the feature. Okay. So on the home page, there is a button called MF Research, and it is so powerful that I go on the home page and I simply click MF Research, and you see the watch how many seconds it takes to open up this sheet. Less than a second. And the large cap performance category wise is on your screen. It takes less than 1 second to give you the yesterday's night NAV category performance of all the 33 schemes in the MF Research section. Okay. You can sort this data on 6 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year expense ratios, NAV, AUM, and also the fund. You can download this data. The moment you click download, within 1 second, the report will be downloaded, which you can send to your clients on WhatsApp or email. With your logo, mutual fund scanner, this report you can send. Let us say you want to show the performance. Let us say you want to show the performance or indexed on 1 year performance, and then you download the data. The data will come indexed on 1 year performance. So this is the beauty of this report. Okay. Now you can add any columns. For example, let's say you don't want to see large cap, you want to see the performance of mid cap and see how fast this is. The moment I click mid cap and I remove large cap and I scroll down, the data is already of the mid cap here. It is super fast. Now you want to add any number of funds. Let us say you also want multi-cap along with mid-cap. You can select any number of schemes here, and all will be featured here. Now it shows 54 entries. Let us say you want to see all equity mutual funds. You click here, and the entire basket of all AMCs, all equity funds is available here at the click of the button. And you can go down and see how many schemes are there. It shows 478 equity schemes in India, open-ended funds. This is what we have done. Now, you don't want equity funds. You only want to see debt corporate bond. You click here and the corporate bond fund performance will open up. Similarly, you want to see all debt funds or all hybrid funds or all commodity funds, whatever filter you want to apply, you can apply these filters and you can see the data. Let's say you want to go for credit risk fund. All the credit risk fund is available here. Now you want to see only 5 credit risk funds. Let us say you want to see credit risk fund of Aditya Birla, Axis, let's say Canara, or let's say what? Kotak, or any other fund, let's say PGIM. Then only those schemes will be shown here. You can do any permutation, combination, anything, every flexibility is there. Now you want to say that I want the schemes with an AUM range of more than 5,000 crores. So you delete this, you delete this, delete this, delete this. There are only There's some issue. Let me check. AUM range. So there is no scheme in this data range in the credit risk fund in the market today. How I can check that? I can check that very simply from here. Credit risk. There's some bug in the AUM category. Every day the work is going on. Let me show you something else. Let me see if the AUM works here. Yeah, here the AUM पे index हो रहा है. उस पे AUM पे index नहीं हुआ था उस समय. So you can index on the AUM. Let's say you want to say any debt fund. Let's say again go to credit risk fund, and you want to see what is the YTM of the funds. So you go here, you click YTM, modified duration, and you want to see average maturity. You click on average maturity. So all these credit risk fund, you can see the average maturity, modified duration, and YTMs as per data available. You want to see which scheme is giving you the maximum YTM? The answer is Franklin India Credit Risk Fund, followed by ICICI Credit Risk Fund at 7.05%. It is so useful, so powerful. Now you want to, let's say, download this data. You can download this data again, and this data is coming on your screen. You want to save this data for future references, you can click here and you can mention credit risk. And you can save this data. In future, when you open this data from the view saved file, you can see the latest performance. For example, this large cap fund was saved on 16th of October. If you want, you can see the data today. There's some error. It will all be corrected. So work is in continuous progress. A couple of things. Whenever you find any bug, just call us and let us know, and we will get it corrected the same day or the next day. So you can see any of the history of the mutual fund research section in view saved file, the way you do it in calculators. Now coming back on the MF screener. So there are all these calculators: alpha, Sharpe ratio, trainer, Sortino, beta, standard deviation, tracking error. And you can see, for example, you can add number of stocks. In large cap, you can see which company, which scheme has the highest number of stocks. So the lowest number of stock is in Franklin Blue Chip, and the highest number of stock is 68 in a large cap fund in Aditya Birla Frontline. So you do your own research with all the data points available in the mutual fund industry. Every data point is captured. You have any question, you can keep asking me in the chat box, and I will answer those questions. Okay, so now let us say you want to compare any of these schemes. So before that, MF screener, let me give you some more data points. You can check exit load, inception, benchmark, performance history, price to earning, highest sector allocation, small cap, mid cap, large cap holdings. Everything, every data is available. So in a large cap fund, it shows you what is the allocation. For example, Aditya Birla large cap fund has 10% in the mid cap also. So you can see all these data points here. Okay. You can filter on fund house. You can filter on fund manager. So let's say you want to see data of only Prashant Jain. So you search on Prashant Jain here. Which schemes Prashant Jain is managing right now? You go to Prashant Jain here. PRA. Prashant Jain. You click here, and the schemes of Prashant Jain in the large cap will come here. And if you want to see all the schemes of Prashant Jain, equity, debt, and hybrid, then you can see Prashant Jain is managing these 4 schemes, and then you can compare the performance of Prashant Jain's various schemes here. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Apart from this, this is the first report. The second report, which is again a fantastic report, is that if you want to compare these 4 schemes, let me go back to MF Screener. Let us say you are going to give you a presentation on FlexiCap. So what you need to do here is that you add FlexiCap category here. And within the FlexiCap, you want to compare Aditya Birla, Axis, DSP, and SDLC. These 4 schemes you want to give to the client. Simply click compare. Every data point of all these schemes will be available here. All these 4 schemes, basic details, inception, fund type, fund manager, what is the AUM, benchmark index, expense ratio, exit load, latest NAV, return parameters, alpha, sharp, Sortino, beta, standard deviation, portfolio attributes, and which are the top 10 holdings. All you have to do here, if you want to save it, you can save it, or you can download this data. This is the beauty of MasterStroke. You see this comparison download. You can send this comparison report on PDF to your client on WhatsApp and email in 30 seconds. And imagine the business or the engagement you will have with your clients. It's all in your personal branding, the way you want to customize it. This is the kind of report. I have seen that investors, clients want to deal with people who are capable, professional, and have all the softwares to do the calculations and provide exceptional reports. I want your opinion on the chat box. Do you like this report? Yes or no? Is it good or not? This is the report you can give as a comparison. Now, let us say you don't want to show exit load. You don't want to show benchmark index. You don't want to show the fund manager. You don't want to show 1 month return, 3 month return. You simply checkbox uncheck. There is no data here. So you can decide you will remove all these checkpoints. And now if you download the list, you can filter down to any data point that you want. And any data which you don't want in the report, you can eliminate. So the basic detail were 7 points, but you have chosen to give 5 points. You have chosen to eliminate 1 month and 3 month return here. You have chosen to eliminate other MF ratios here. In the portfolio attributes, you have deleted some of the options. So you have all these data points the way you want it, flexible. You can save this data point for the future, and you can send these reports to the client, and it is super fast. The idea behind all these things is that you can save 1 hour to 2 hours every day by using MasterStroke calculators, features, videos, MF research, comparison, so that you can get more time to sell. बेचने में ज़्यादा वक्त देना पड़ेगा. दे सकते हैं आप. This is the power. This is the 2 feature I wanted to show you today, which is now live, and you can upgrade your membership. To upgrade your membership, you simply go to subscription here. And you click the word upgrade. It will not work with me because I'm already upgraded. You click this word upgrade, and you can automatically upgrade yourself. If you have any issue, you want to check up the price, everything, you can call up MasterStroke number and we will assist you. We already have a lot of premium members right now. Now, before I start answering your question, I want to show you many more things which are going to come. By December and January, we are adding these reports also. The next report that is coming is category-wise performance. This is the screen you will get. You can check the category performance of all the categories in the country. This is the category average. So for example, let's say Debt Ultra Fund, the last 1 year, don't go with this number. These are the sample. And you will get this color code. You can check which category is doing better in the 1 month, 3 month, 1 year. Okay, and you can do all these filters. Then you can check category-wise scheme performance, which is like MF Screener, but you can also check calendar year returns. You can also check point-to-point returns. Currently, we are giving you trailing return, 1 day, 7 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, like that. You can check calendar year returns and point-to-point returns here. And you decide which data points you want, and you can get this report like this. We are coming out with best fund and worst fund. We will give you a list of top 10 best performing fund in any category and the worst performing fund in any category, the top 10 fund. You can choose you want to show 5 funds or 10 funds or 3 funds or 7 funds. We will give all these features to you. Then, of course, we are coming out with underlying portfolio. Aditya Birla's focused equity fund. What is the top holdings? You will get this report. This is the top holding. If you want the complete portfolio, you will have a button here, download complete portfolio. You can see the complete portfolio. Then we will come out with a fact sheet. This is under development, and this is beautiful. Investment analysis. अभी आप कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हैं तो क्लाइंट को existing portfolio का आप attributes भेज सकते हैं. MasterStroke MF Research से अगर किसी क्लाइंट को आपको 10 लाख रुपीस का प्रपोजल देना है, and you select any 4 scheme from the drop down allocation, then on the current basis you can send a report to the client कि आप अगर 10 लाख रुपया इन सारे फंड्स में लगाएंगे तो आपका debt equity allocation क्या होगा. It will take the underlying portfolio debt and equity holding and category wise आपकी total value क्या होगी. आपने बैलेंस फंड चूज 2 बैलेंस फंड लिया, 2 शॉर्ट टर्म फंड लिया, तो सबका एवरेज करके आपको यहाँ पे एलोकेशन दिखा देगा. AMC वाइज आपकी ये होल्डिंग दिखा देगा, फंड मैनेजर वाइज होल्डिंग दिखा देगा एंड स्कीम वाइज होल्डिंग आपकी दिखा देगा, और टोटल 5 फंड की अंडरलाइंग टॉप 20 होल्डिंग्स क्या है वो दिखा देगा, और टेक्स सेक्टर्स क्या है ये दिखा देगा. Equity classification large, mid, small दिखा देंगे, debt allocation दिखा देंगे. This is the report also which is coming by December. These are the next 6 reports which we are coming up. Rolling return will come in the month of January. Apart from this, we are also launching fantastic calculators in the premium section. So before upgrading, you will always ask me, what are the features? The answer is that you get mutual fund screener, comparison, download options, 6 more reports, and fantastic calculator. This is the first calculator we are launching in the month of November. This is called Portfolio Projection Report. Suppose the client is having 25 lakh rupees of portfolio with you, and he does 25,000 rupees SIP with you. The report says that in 25 years, his portfolio will become 2.45 crores. We are giving an option here that you can, so in one calculator, you can increase this 25,000 to 40,000 rupees, and then show a report to the client that if you increase just 15,000 SIP, your portfolio will grow to 3.83 crores. And I can tell you, friends, it works. I have been using this Excel for the last 3 months with my client, and I have added 3 to 5 lakh rupees of SIP additional just by sending this report to the client. ये 99 का चक्कर है. क्लाइंट को अच्छा लगता है कि अगर हम इतना पैसा और इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो हमारा पोर्टफोलियो फ्यूचर में कितना हो जाएगा, and it gives them an annual basis उनका पोर्टफोलियो का वैल्यूएशन. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely, Dinesh. Present SIP and proposed SIP can be shown in one sheet. We have developed that. This is just a sample I am showing you, but in one single sheet you can see this. The next report, we are coming out with a goal calculator. You want to purchase a house or a dream car or X or Y or Z, this calculator will now help you do all these calculations. And this is the way investment, and it will throw up that to achieve your goal, what is the lump sum required, what is the SIP required, what is the SIP for 5 year, 10 year, 15 year. Again, the idea of friends is that if you use Master Stroke every day or once a week for 10 minutes, it will help you cut down 2 to 4 hours of your hard work with perfection. Another calculator that we are coming out, which you may want to use, don't want to use, is a direct versus regular TR. There are so many, so this is for RIA as well as MFDs. So you come across some mutual fund companies, some platform compare the commission rates as 1%, 1.5, even 1.75%. You can actually take the right number and you can do the calculation yourself, that what is the difference between direct and indirect and what impact it creates in the next 10, 15, 20 years. We are giving you all the tools. This is a beautiful calculator which is called debt fund trade-off. What it says is that कि अगर आपने 2 साल पहले debt fund में investment किया है और client redeem करने बोल रहा है, you can use this calculator and tell the client that if you hold for 1 more year, your post-tax returns will be superior. And if you redeem now, your tax will be very high. It will give you a number of the post-tax yield if you hold the investment for 209 days. That if you sell now, your returns will be 7%. If you sell after 1 year, your post-tax yield will be 8%. And this will help you hold the investment for longer period. Another calculator, and this is fantastic, super, unbelievable. And I'm telling you, everyone will use this. We are coming out with a quick investment proposal. अभी क्या करते हैं आप? अभी आपको SIP का एक proposal बनाना है, आपने मास्टर स्ट्रोक को कैलकुलेटर को यूज करके बना लिया, लेकिन क्लाइंट बोलता है मुझे SIP भी करनी है और मुझे लमसम भी करना है, मुझे STP भी करनी है, मुझे SWP करनी है और मुझे बैंक FD में भी पैसा डालना है या इंश्योरेंस का टर्म प्लान लेना है. ये सारे का प्रपोजल आपको उसको भेजना है. अभी आप एक्सेल में बनाते हैं, वर्ड में बनाते हैं और उसको मैनुअली टाइप करते हैं, भेजते हैं. We are coming out with a format which you can use at MasterStroke, and all these features is combined into one single consolidated investment proposal to the client. Okay, one single consolidated investment proposal to the client. This is what we are coming out with. Do we share proposal in image format? No, the proposal will be in the PDF format, and you can always click a picture and make it as JPEG format. That is not a problem, Dinesh. Another calculator in the premium section that we are coming out is SIP versus EMI. This is also fantastic. You have been demanding, and we have made this. So this is what I have, friends, and I will take some of your questions, and let's see if you can answer them. Superb bullshit. Thank you so much, Srinivasa. Dinesh, can we present SIP proposed? Yes. We need rolling returns. Apurva, rolling return will come in the month of January, probably, but we will come out with rolling returns also. Mutual fund is an ocean. Research is an ocean. It will take 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years to develop the entire bouquet of every single report that you want. We need up, down, up capture, down capture. Time to fund has been below 0%, above 0%. All these are unique reports which over the period of time we will develop. In one day, Rome was not built. So we are building Masterstroke day upon day, and each of these reports we intend to make in the next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year time. Yes. Yes, Nina, rolling return will come over a period of time. Nimish, Asha. I tell you something. I hear a lot of words about rolling return. I will share with you something today, and I don't want to discourage you. I think my demo is over, so I will stop the recording and I will continue. Thank you so much.